is the Wednesday night race, 6/9/21, Lake Hefner. We only have one boat on this presentation, J2442. Before we get into the race itself, if you'll notice, the course is quite square. A bit of a pin bias due to a late shift. Also, it's square, but there's a bit of a right-hand phase early in the leg and a bit of left-hand phase late in the leg. But otherwise, very square until we get up here to the finish and shore effect started altering things. Okay, let's start this. First, the start. Not great starting on the part of 42. One other little tidbit. The pre-race data, because of the big shift to the left, pre-race data was worthless by, I don't know, 15 degrees. There was another 15-degree shift in the restart. Notice 42, starting at the proper side. Look at this heading right here. Even after the restart, had this race gone off, 42 would have been in great position up the leg. But turned into a general, reportedly because of a bunch of boats stacked up at the pin. So let's go to the restart. Came out a bit early. Left-hand shift really messed things up. 42's over early again. Has to restart, which isn't too horrible because of that left-hand shift. They managed to come out. Shift came back. Now they're working up the leg nicely. Headings between, saw some 120s there. Reasonably well played leg. Rounding smooth, little few bobbles right in there, getting the chute going. And then, again, an error that seems to be pretty consistent. If the right's favored, early jibe. In this case, the left was favored. There was a shift right in here. Notice it's where roughly where the tacking occurs. Slow this rounding down. Probably should have waited until I got up to full speed instead of 4.9, but overall reasonably good rounding. So on a down number here, so now this is where, no, shift came back. I was thinking of the next beat. Almost perfect rectangles here. Strategy quite consistent. on this leg, jibed over, jibed back. A little slow down here at the bottom, running by the leg. This last leg, the wind dropped a bit, and the rig was a little bit too tight, so the boat's struggling to try to find power. And you can see that reflected in the heading. Right here, the boat's going to lose about 150 meters off of its previous line here. It tacked 150 meters short here. You get up here, and they're down 300 meters plus. You can also tell by the wider tacking angles. Struggling in here, 2s and 3s. Getting up here where it's lighter, also under the buildings that are over here, and finish.